What are you doing? Get it together.
He's the lost cameraman. It's like, all right, move to camera 3. He's just like,
There's a bird, dude. There's a bird.
It's entertaining looking to the fisheye.
I can't. Hey, you guys. We're here today with Fetty Potter and Nigel Ryan Jones for an episode of Skate Everything Wars. But before we start that, this video is sponsored by Walnut Tech. They are the inventors of the most portable and intelligent electric skateboard called the Spectra. We went and skated that board at Fremont, and it was a lot of fun, so you could check out that footage right now.
It goes on its own. It's so sick. No push required. Whole park. What's up, dude?
No way.
What?
So as you can see, we had a lot of fun on that board, but now I want to let you guys know about their Black Friday sale. So you can go on their website and get 40% off with the code
BF Spectra.
BF Spectra.
BFSPECTRA.
So if you use that code, you can also get an additional $50 off. All boards ship for free in the United States. It is an extremely fun and really smart board. You should definitely go to their website. All the links will be in the description below. But now that we're done telling you guys all of that awesome information, we are gonna go where no Skate Everything Wars has gone before, and that is the first ever store versus store. So Fetty and I are gonna be going to Target, and Daniel and Nigel are gonna be going to Walmart. We have 20 minutes at the store each. We have the same amount of time at each store. You have to pick something, same rules as Skate Everything Wars, $75 limit, and then we come back here completely anonymous to show what we've bought.
I already know what I want, so we're gonna be like 5 minutes.
Well, go then! Siri sent me a timer for 20 minutes. Why, thank you.
all right, we gotta find something really quick. I get a lot of my clothes from Target.
Fetty, I freaking love Target.
Same.
It's the best store in the world.
The Christmas sweaters, Gabe.
What?
Christmas blazers?
Hold up. You smell that? It
Smells
smells like
good.
warm cookies.
How does it smell like a temperature?
You smell that, right?
I do now.
I'm getting a conflicting flavor in my nose every time I take a step in here.
Over there it smelled like delicious cookies, and now it smells like not good right now.
We're at Walmart. Siri, set me a timer for 20 minutes.
You said we only need like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there and get out. All right, well, here we go. What do we get this guy?
Well, what was your idea?
I don't know, just the first thing I saw that was a potential thing. I was just gonna grab it and then we can get out of here.
Oh.
Whoa. Dude, this is
Solid?
solid. Whoa. A cork yoga block.
That would break, I think.
I know, I'm
We
just
did
saying.
something corked, right?
I don't know.
Welcome to Walmart. Oh, that's sick. Aaron Cairo, Johnny Geiger, John
We got a bunch of
Hill.
them.
What? That's dope.
This area will have good stuff, and like over there is fishing, camping stuff.
You got 12 minutes.
This is impossible. Are you kidding me?
I kind of like the snowboard one, to be honest with you.
But we've done a snowboard.
No, but it's fully wooden.
There's a Christmas.
Because this is your section right here.
What is in here?
Hold up. Ping pong table. Are you okay?
Yeah, sorry, I had a little something.
Fetty. 4-foot adjustable store hover hockey is $78. I will allow you to go $3 over budget.
I think that would break.
But at least we can play it before we break it.
I have skated something like that before. I think that was one of the first few episodes.
He would not like that though.
It'd be very dangerous too.
Yes, it would be. I want to do one of these cast iron skillet, but at the same time, I just want to get it so I can take it home and cook steaks out of it. Oh, I don't think we could drill through this though. Not with all the bits we have. I like how I said I was gonna find the first thing that sounded suitable and get out of here. What are these? These golf balls? Why is this box so cool? What? We should just start making Braille golf balls.
What's the fuggler?
Oh, it smells like rotten spaghetti.
The smells in here are insane.
You're running out of time.
Look at how
I don't know.
Glenda Glitter Poop? Ah, Settlers of Catan. I have a love-hate relationship with that game. Where did... Wait, it does smell like cinnamon here. It smells like scented pine cones.
Out of control.
There's a lot of cheap stuff in the furniture section too.
$30? Table's looking alright. Okay, and it locks, which is good. What do you think?
He did also get something like that similar before too. He got this from Costco.
But we didn't do a table yet. This is option number 1.
That
I've
van.
seen at least 4 items you
Take
could
that
skate.
green van.
Big van.
The green van.
How do you expect him to skate that?
You stand on top.
That would break, dog. You
It'd be funny though.
That is Carlos size though.
The green.
Oh. Not good. Not good at all. This is like Skate Everything Wars, the adventure of smells.
Smell everything, Wars. I want to smell nothing now.
Ew.
A whole coffee table?
Without the pegs on it. That's not bad.
That's better than that table.
Yeah. $22.54.
Got a whole coffee table for 22 bucks.
Whole coffee table. You know what? I think I'm sold on that. We have found it. The table of destiny.
I think it's also better because it's larger. A lot of the things you get tend to be really small.
So far I like the air hockey table and the wooden snowboard.
How about Moana?
Not a bad idea. You know Nigel does love Moana. That's actually not a bad idea at all. That's actually kind of hilarious.
This is not good. Cause everything just gonna break. Everything is just not well made anymore.
If it's gonna break, at least get something funny. Get Moana.
We're going to the home decor. We've been looking in the wrong spot the whole time.
Well, look, now you only got 2 minutes to find something in home decor.
Well, you know what? I bet they haven't even found anything yet.
I'm sure they're out of there.
Nice.
A griddle, like the things that they make pancakes on. Look, a griddle.
This one for Carlos. Look how small it is.
Fetty, focus. You have 1 minute.
Ah, man. Zoom.
I'm executive decisioning you right now. We have Moana, the hockey table, the snowboard, or the van. Pick one of those 4 right now.
Oh, that's boring. I guess I'll go with the stupid snowboard.
No, get Moana, Fetty.
You're making Moana.
I will make Moana if you were that troubled by it. It's not a big deal. It is just Moana. Dude, come on. Tell me you don't see Moana up there and think Skate Everything Wars. Look, she's looking at you. Uzi, if Fetty's not gonna grab it, you grab it. That's right.
No, I think I'm with him. It's pretty creepy.
Because we got the Ouija board in there. Now if we skate this, she's gonna come to life and come kill us all.
This is actually creepier than the Ouija board.
Put it in the cart. All right, we're going with this then. We're going with this.
Oh.
See you back at the Braille house. Uzi, go show Nigel.
Watch your head, Moana.
Hello, Nigel.
Away, away! Am I really skating Moana?
Look into her eyes.
Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Oh, too fast for you. Score 65.
That was it?
All right, let's do this. You all right there?
Hey, I don't need. I got it. I'm a strong guy, boy, man, child.
How many times have you watched Moana, Nigel?
In all honesty, probably like 20 or some times. I like it. It's a good movie.
How many times have you watched Moana?
Like 5. This is the worst thing ever.
Should listen to the metal music. There you have it, folks.
This hair feels so gross.
This is weird. Why am I even doing this?
That's not good.
All right, right here. The drop. Come on, get yourself together. Not even close. Never ridden on a board before. You got this. Look where you're going. There you go. The technique. Nope. That is as good as it's gonna get, I think.
What about the board?
Here we go. Whose board is that?
How am I gonna do this?
Just drill into it like you did Spider-Man. Wait, why are her feet backwards?
You're gonna put it on her back. Then the whole time you're skating her, you're gonna have to be staring into her eyes.
Do you not notice something that is wrong here?
You're skating in person.
Just look at the anatomy of her right now.
Her head is, torso's, feet, something's backwards. What else did you do? What's that?
Burger Bola.
This is not right.
Oh, dude, her hair. I think you gotta cut Moana's
You're
hair
really-
off. You feel alright about Moana right now?
Away, away!
It's okay, Moana. It'll be over soon.
I think you gotta give her a haircut.
I put $5 down that her head pops off.
She said, had to do it to him. Had to do it to Nigel.
You had to do it to him.
Off to a good start.
It's because we haven't officially started the game. I think we need to Rochambeau first. Fetty, can you get her stuck in the rafters after this video?
Of course. I'm surprised you even asked that question. You should just assume it's going in the rafters.
This is my favorite thing we've ever skated.
Try and go
Take her
down
down the bank, Nigel.
We gonna try.
You take her. There you go.
How do I even?
Go head first.
No, because the hair is gonna get caught in the wheel
No,
and I'm
it's
gonna
okay.
die.
It's okay.
No, I'm not trying to die. When I die and go to the hospital, it's on you, alright?
Yes. There it is. There it is. Now write it down. Now write it down.
I'm sorry, alright? I like your movies. Gabe's making me do it.
All right, Fetty, you're up.
Oh no.
Oh no. Why don't you start on the small bank?
I didn't realize that was an option. The hair's already in the wheel.
I told you to give her a haircut. What happened?
I got stuck in the hair!
That was it. This video. This is the best video we've ever made. What?
It's just cardboard! Are you kidding me?
Oh my way!
Walmart, we figured you out! Walmart got a honeycomb hideout, and this is what they make their tables out of.
Dude, Walmart, what are you doing?
Wow. Let's just put some cardboard in the middle, make it more dense. Make it feel heavier.
Can I do that?
Yeah, that's very satisfying.
Oh wow, you guys gotta try that.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that's good.
All they had to do was just get a piece, literally, a piece of wood and sand it and paint it.
What is it made out of? Like, what's that made out of?
Paper? Paper!
Wow, well get this other truck off. Oh yeah, you guys got a manual on this. Oh!
Oh, now we got
Whoa,
skateboard!
now we're talking. Moana is watching this over here and she's terrified for her life. Oh! All right, father of Moana, let's get it. Oh!
Wow.
You have a freaking power axe. You gotta land the bank. I mean, the game is over at this point.
The game is over.
Just land it down both banks, and I think we can call it. Skate Everything Wars has turned into Walmart sucks, and Moana is having a rough day. Here you go. Here it is. Here it is. Can you give the man a push for me? Oh!
That's the best it's gonna get, because that truck is not even on there. So it pulls to the right.
She looks so sad.
So sad, but happy at the same time. She just wants a hug. Just give her a hug. Why would you break her arm like that? Don't throw my child. Don't throw my
No.
child.
You gotta take her on a skate sesh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I gotta go that way.
Oh! All right, Fetty, get the dang trucks off and get her up there with the other Wall of Famers. Oh no. She is ready. Wow. I don't know if you got the strength to get her up there, man. Oh no.
The old razzle dazzle.
No.
You gotta catch her though.
Why you let her smack her head like that? Oh my God!
Oh! There it is! You're landing on top of Tibor. No! Now we have the top 2 hardest things ever thrown up there, both on the ground again.
This was like this, and I went.
Way heavier.
No. Yeah. Oh! Yes! Yes! Well, this guy's over here trying to get his beloved unicorn back up in its natural habitat. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So I know that was a little crazier than Yes! Woo! That was a little crazier than we initially expected. But as for store versus store skateability, both
But you know what?
were not great.
We had fun. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I mean, the thing about this is that sometimes if you think about it like, oh, who's gonna win? It sucks. But if you look at it as like, I'm skating a freaking Moana doll, and this is the dumbest thing ever, but it's just
it's
fun.
awesome.
The
And
world's
awesome.
most sturdiest.
Yeah, if you look at it like that, you just have a good time, and who cares what you're doing? You just go out with your friends and have a good time on your skateboard
That's
or
what skating's
your
about.
Moana doll. That's what skating's about.
Not a competition. We out here to have fun, help each other.
So store versus store, can't really
I mean,
decide
Target-
here. Before we end this video, we just want to give a huge thanks to Walnut Tech for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. Definitely go to their website and check out the Spectra board. It is the most advanced, intelligent, amazing electric skateboard you will ever have. And don't forget their Black Friday sale with the code
BF Spectra. That's BFSPECTRA. Spectra.
With that code, you can get up to 40% off of your order.
40?
Yeah, percentage. 40. So definitely check it out. The links will be in the description below. I'm gonna say that again. Every link you need will be in the description below. So check that out. And a huge thanks to Walnut Tech for sponsoring this video. You can follow us all on Instagram at Niggle Jones, at GabeCrew01, at Fetty Potter, and at Feisty Cadaver. And you can subscribe to this channel, like, and leave a comment right down there. Thank you guys so much. And Fetty's gonna go play Bop It for 4 hours. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I was just signing posters for everybody that gets something at BrailleSkateboarding.com this holiday season. Wow, slid right in there, the box of your dreams. We got handboards, we got bow ties, we got a box, and I got a knife. We're gonna open this box nice. We got everything on sale right now at BrailleSkateboarding.com for Black Friday. It is up to 50% off selected items. We have many different skateboards. We have completes. We have blank decks, t-shirt hoodies, all the new handboard designs, hoodies, tons of different hats, skater trainers, more handboards. Skateboarding Made Simple volumes, you guys are gonna need those. We got volume 1, we got volume 1 through 6, we have DVDs, we have digital downloads, we have all different kinds of grip tape and everything else that you would ever need to learn how to skateboard. So go to BrailleSkateboarding.com right now. It's Black Friday. You guys know what to do. Up to 50% off all of these items. The store is totally stocked up, so go there and get what you need. BrailleSkateboarding.com. Have a great Christmas.